Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today a new update was released for Crawlomatic, and starting from now is able to use the DeepL translator to translate imported content. So the content it scrapes, it will be able to be translated using DeepL. So if you have an API key for DeepL, go ahead and enter it here. Afterwards, when you will create new importing rules in the plugin, so let's select here the translation, you will see that you have the Google Translate service, and if you scroll down you will have also the DeepL languages that the DeepL translation service supports. So if you enter the API key in the plugin's main settings, these will also appear for you, and go ahead and select, for example, German. And don't forget to select also the source language, in which language is your original article that you are importing. So like this, the plugin will use the DeepL service and it will translate from English to German. Okay, so this is all for this short video. Was just a quick update about what was released for the for the Crawlomatic plugin. Sorry, and yeah, this is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this content. I will link in this video's description where you can get the Crawlomatic plugin, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content, news, updates. And yeah, stay awesome. Have a great day. Bye bye.